So did you guys want to know the best Photoshop alternative? Well, in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first you want to go to your preferred web browser. So let's go to Google Chrome in this case. Then from here, let me just full screen it so you guys can see it better. Then basically from here, you want to go to Photopea. So bam, Photopea right here. Then from here, you want to go to www.photopea.com. So the first link right here. Then this is basically just Photopea. So Photopea basically just took the main tools from Photoshop, then just put it here, then called it Photopea. So that's it. So first, let me show you guys the main layout for Photopea. First, you want to click New Project right here. So then basically from here, you can rename your project. So let's say we rename it Test Project. So test project right here. Then you can choose your width, your height right here too. So let's say you want to do YouTube thumbnail. You don't need to know the width and height for that. You can just choose YouTube cover right here. Then the thing's gonna fill it in by itself. So that's it. So then you can choose from some templates here, different templates for whatever you want to make. So let's say I do this, then there's different templates. So let's just keep it YouTube thumbnail right now. Then from here, you can just click on create. So this is basically just your normal standard canvas right here. So this is Photopea. So your canvas here, your tools here, then the layers right here too. So you can hide your layers too from here. So yeah, so now let's say we want to put some text. So we're just gonna grab the text, put it here. So it's just gonna load it right here. It's gonna make one separate layer. So it's gonna call it text layer 1. So just let it load first. How to ... Then from here, like the text is way too small right now, so you can't see it. So first you want to highlight the whole text. So triple click to highlight. Then from this top here, you can change the size. So let's say 175. What did I do? 175, let's say. So there it goes. So how to right here. Then I can just do this. So then you can reposition it to, like, let's say we want to do it right in the middle, right there. So yeah, that's the layout for Photopea. So now let me show you guys the templates. So from here, you can just choose templates right here. Then from here, you can choose from literally hundreds of templates right here, maybe thousands. So suppose if you're looking for something more specific, you can search templates too. So let's say we do thumbnail. So from here, we can see we have simple YouTube thumbnails, Fortnite thumbnails, Minecraft thumbnails, way more thumbnails right here. So let's say we get this simple YouTube thumbnail, just click it once, then click it once more, then just let it load right here, then there you go. So this is your template to remix right here. So we can remix this template. So let's say we want to change the text, let's say. So for changing the text, we can select the folder, click the drop down menu, then select the text that we want to change. So let's say we want to change thumbnail. So just click on thumbnail, then double click it right here. Then from here, you can change the text. So let's say we do Photoshop. So there you go, Photoshop right here. We can change this text too. So just do this. So suppose if the text is too big, you can lower the pixels, then you can reposition it. So for that, we can double click it right here. So right now it's this. So we can change it to, let's say 175. Let's see. Yeah, that's really good. So from here, we can reposition it too, simply by clicking this tool, then repositioning it right here. So let's put it in the middle, okay, right there. Okay, so that is perfect. We can change the color too. So for this, we just click it once, click it twice, highlight it. Then basically from here, you can change the color by going to this little thing, going here, double click, then you go here. Then from here, you can change the color. So let's say we do something blue. So for blue, we can go down here. Let's see, that's good. That looks good to me. So this might be the main thumbnail for the video too, because this thumbnail is really good, right? Yeah, this thumbnail is really good too. We can just put maybe some more photos, then we're done. So yeah, this is Photopea right here. You have it, guys. The links will be linked in the description box down below, photopea.com right here. Let me just do this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys liked today's video, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. And yeah, without further ado, that's gonna be it for today's video. Peace.